Is your hair breaking faster than it's growing? It's time for a serious game changer. No more stunted growth, thinning edges, or breakage. This is your all-in-one natural hair survival guide. Whether you want long, thick coils or healthy locks, this guide breaks down exactly how to feed your hair the nutrients it needs for maximum growth and strength. For centuries, people across the world have relied on nature's gifts to grow long, strong, and healthy hair. These traditional remedies have stood the test of time, proving their effectiveness through generations of use. Today, these natural ingredients can be powerful tools in your hair care, promoting growth, reducing breakage, and preventing thinning or shedding. Press the shop link below and download your copy of Thriving Tresses now to nourish your scalp, protect your ends, and keep your hair thriving.